So you've just finished editing your project, and you're ready to export. First thing you want to do is go up to File, and scroll down to Export, and then click Media. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also hold Ctrl+M on your keyboard if you're on Windows, or Command+M if you're on a Mac, and this will also bring up your export menu. Now that we have our export menu up, you'll want to make sure that the format is set to H.264. This will save your file as an MP4 video file, which is the most commonly used. For preset, we want to select Match Source Adaptive High Bitrate, as this will export our video with the highest quality. You can then click on the blue file next to Output Name, and it will open an Explorer window. Here, you can change the file name or even choose where you want to save it on your hard drive. If you want to improve the video quality even further, under Video, go down under Basic Settings and check off Render at Maximum Depth, and then Use Maximum Render Quality should also be checked off. This will export with the highest possible quality settings available. Once you're done, you can simply go down and click Export to save your new file, and then that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.